As a B2B marketer or demand gen professional, do you have a list of targeted accounts that you need the relevant role-based contacts for? Or what about other data points that you need to enrich your account list with, such as products installed or technographic data? The B2BSignals data enrichment feature enables you to find that ideal prospect and enrich your targeted account data. It is a simple and easy 5-step process. Step 1. Prepare your CSV file with the targeted accounts or named accounts. Make sure your file contains the account name and/or the company website for easy matching. Step 2. Go into the data enrichment module of B2BSignals and select Get Contacts for Companies. Step 3. Upload your CSV file. B2BSignals will immediately show you how many of the accounts in your list matched our database. Step 4. Select your filters. You can filter by a variety of fields, including department, seniority, and even products installed. Step 5. Once you have selected your appropriate filters and reviewed the data, simply select Download and you are done. You will receive an email when your file is ready to download from B2BSignals. B2BSignals data enrichment also comes with a suppression list feature. By suppressing contact and company data, you can extract specific net new contacts and company records based on your filter criteria with the same information on your list. With data enrichment, you will have access to 40 million B2B contact records in over 750,000 company locations and over 35,000 technology products tracked. Users will have access to our largest database for this self-service feature. We will help you to enrich your account list and fill it with updated and accurate information. With B2BSignals data enrichment, you will get instant access to the relevant contacts needed for your targeted accounts, and incorrect data will become a thing of the past. Want to learn more about this feature? Visit us at www.b2bsignals.com and request a demo today.